Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. First of all, you need to access Play Store, click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Now install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When it's ready, open it. Finally, thanks to this app, you can learn all the information about your TCL's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!